more than 150,000 muscles and tendons. Now, crocodile. The Nile crocodile is the largest of the 4 species of crocodile found in Africa. African giant centipede. The African giant centipede can grow to between 15 to 18 centimeters long. Giraffe. Giraffes have blue or purple tongues. Gecko. The African fat-tailed gecko can go for days without food as it stores fat in its tail. Dromedary camel. The dromedary camel can drink 30 gallons of water in just 10 minutes. Snake. There are up to 160 different snake species in Africa. Scorpion! The emperor scorpion is one of the largest species of scorpion in the world, measuring at 20 centimeters in length. African giant earthworm! Some African giant earthworms can grow as long as 22 feet. Zebra! Zebras can run at 42.5 miles per hour. Hyena! Hyenas can hear predators up to 6 miles away. Hippopotamus! Male hippos typically weigh around 1,500 kilograms. Cheetah! Cheetahs are the fastest land animal on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. Chimpanzee! Wild chimpanzees are only found in Africa. African buffalo! African buffalo live between 15 to 25 years. Desert locust! The desert locust grows to around 7 centimeters long. Rhinoceros! The name rhinoceros means nose horn. Lion! A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Leopard! Leopards can jump up to 10 feet high. African spurred tortoise! The African spurred tortoise is the 3rd largest species of tortoise in the world. Monkey! The telepoin is the smallest species of monkey, weighing less than 2 kilograms. Gorilla! The The average silverback gorilla can weigh 180 kilograms. Meerkat! Meerkats are immune to venom.